So every once in a while, oh, it's sizzling in there. You know, I need to make some bacon. And I just realized that making bacon is going to take a lot of my electricity. And I realized that I'm at 100% right now, and it's the middle of the day, and I'm creating energy for nothing because there's no place for it to go because my batteries are full. So I need to move my cooking more into the daytime. So I'm going to figure out, I don't know, I had this crazy idea. I'm going to make bacon in a crock pot. So I figured out where to put the crock pot for when I'm driving. Probably not the best idea, but I didn't want it. I could have put it here in the sink, but since I sit right there, I just imagine hitting something and being sloshed with bacon grease and didn't think that was a great idea. So we're gonna try down here, and we're gonna try to cook bacon like this. Anyways, cut open our bacon. This is probably gonna make a mess. Hopefully a paper towel will catch most of it. Ooh, look at that, yummy. Goodness. So I'm just gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna put like that and like that. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Nothing else. No seasoning. It's on high. Let's see. And if I look over at the power station on high, it's using about 93 watts, the crock pot on high, and I'm currently generating 310, and since my battery is at 99%, basically I'm not really wasting any electricity here in the daytime, so it's free energy, sort of. I mean, it's all free because it's solar, but now it's really free because my battery doesn't need it. So now I've reached the campsite, and there's my crock pot, still sitting in my minivan. So every once in a while, oh, it's sizzling in there. Every once in a while, you need to turn the bacon, maybe. Turn it, and maybe start separating a little bit. Loosen it up. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll see. There's a lot of water in this bacon. Ooh, careful. Let's not make too much of a mess. It's already been 2 hours. This bacon's a long way from being crispy, that's for sure. So we'll see. Let's keep it in the liquid there. Let's see. I'm not sure if this is going to get crisp. I don't know. But it's going to work for my purposes. It still tastes like bacon. Oh, that's hot. It's definitely cooked. Crispy? I don't know. I'm gonna drain it on some paper towels. So I got some bacon and it's draining. And what I'm probably gonna do, I don't even need to shred this stuff. I was gonna shred it for what I was gonna use it for, but it's pretty shredded. I wonder what it tastes like. Definitely bacony. Damn, that's good. Definitely not crisp. It's more like corned beef. You know what? Tomorrow, I'm gonna see if I can crisp some of this up in a cast iron pan. When I make my crack keto chicken, I'm gonna see if I can crisp some of this up real quick in a pan. The whole point of doing this is to reduce the amount of fat spattering around in my car. So hopefully this will have done that. It's cooked. I just have to heat it up as much as I can. Probably use a really, really hot cast iron pan. Just crisp it up. Should be great. And I'll video that tomorrow, see how it goes.